In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the error compiling movie message in Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you're trying to export your project in Premiere Pro and you're getting some kind of error message, then the first thing you need to do to fix this is head over to your computer and you need to check the storage on your hard disks. So all of my Premiere Pro projects are saved to this C drive here, and I currently have 100 gigabytes of space, which is definitely more than enough. However, if you are running out of space here, then you may need to uninstall some applications or try making some space, as this is one of the main reasons that causes this compiling issue. Now, if you've tried that and it's still not working, what you need to do instead is select everything in your timeline by pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard, then coming up to sequence at the top and selecting render selection. Once you've rendered this selection, you can then head over to file at the top, click on export, and then click on media. And then once again, you can try exporting your project, and that should have now solved your issue. Another thing that you want to check is that there's no strange characters in your file title. So if you're using any special characters like slash or asterisks, then this can also cause compiling issues. So make sure you're just using plain text in this section here. And if you've tried that and it's still not working, another solution is to come over to File in the top left hand side, click on Project Settings and select General. Then underneath Video Rendering and Playback, we're just going to change this here to Mercury Playback Engine and Software Only. Then you can just press OK to save these changes. And once again, you can try exporting your project, and that should have now solved the issue. Now, the final solution for you guys, if it's still not working, is to come over to File in the top left hand side, click on Export and select Send to Adobe Media Encoder. Now, you will need to have this application installed on your computer. If you don't already, you can download it as part of the Adobe Creative Cloud package. And this is another way that you can fix any exporting issues. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.